Welcome. In this video, you'll discover how to enable VR permission on the Instagram app for PC, following the latest update. If you're ready to explore virtual reality features on Instagram, just follow these simple steps. First, make sure the Instagram app is open on your PC. Take a moment to log in if you haven't already, and ensure you're on the main page where you can see your feed or profile. Now look to the top of the page and find the three dots icon. This is usually located in the upper right corner. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu with more options. From the menu, select App Info. This will take you directly to the app's information page. Here, you'll find a variety of settings related to how Instagram operates on your device. Next, locate and click on Settings. This section allows you to customize how the app interacts with your PC and manage different permissions. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you see More Settings and Permissions. Click on this option to access a detailed list of permissions that Instagram can request or use. Now, look for the option labeled Virtual Reality. This is the setting that controls whether Instagram can use VR features on your PC. Next to Virtual Reality, you'll see a toggle or drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Allow. By selecting Allow, you're granting Instagram the ability to use VR capabilities on your PC. This might include accessing your headset or other VR devices for immersive experiences, interactive stories, or new creative tools within the app. Once you've enabled this permission, you're all set. You can now enjoy any new VR features Instagram has to offer right from your computer. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and adjust the permission as needed. Enjoy exploring Instagram in a whole new dimension.